auricalcite on a matrix. Now, this definitely hails from Namibia, and the only reference to auricalcite I can find is the Tsumeb mine, and I'm not familiar with material from there. So this is quite possibly from the Tsumeb mine. The matrix, though, does look a little bit like we'd find in Mesopotamia 502, some of the sections. So this could be from the Ka'okafel Plateau or just off Korikos. Mesopotamia 504, 502, I'm not quite sure. Sprays of auricalcite needles, which is pretty rare, sitting on this matrix. Namibian material, I suspect, well, I'm going to go with Tsumeb Mine, Namibia. Other associations I haven't found, a hemimorphite, for instance, often associated, I haven't found any of that. Lovely needles, difficult to photograph, to actually zoom in on the actual needles, but it's little sprays of needles sitting right across. Lovely blue, sort of almost a sea green to blue.